In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix network lag, high ping, and packet loss in World of Warcraft. So first thing you want to check is if the game server is down. So you can go here and type in is World of Warcraft down. So if you go to this website and it says it's down or it shows errors, or here if it shows there's errors, then you know that they're having server errors and you'll have to wait for them to fix it. Now if that's not the case, then what you can do, you can first go to cmd, run as administrator, and then here you're gonna type in this command. So ipconfig space/renew and then press enter. And then ipconfig flush DNS, and then ipconfig release, then ipconfig register DNS, and then lastly net winsock reset. Once you finish entering all of these commands, you can close this down. Then you want to go here to control panel. Over here you go to network and internet, then go to network and sharing. So find your internet, then go to properties, then over here go to internet version 4. So here you'll type 8.8.8.8, then you'll type 8844, then you want to press OK. Press OK. Then once you're done, you have done this, you can restart your computer and you should be good.